Hi there guys, in today's video with VinylCut 5 we'll be looking at the Stencil Bridge tool. Let's just have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have quite a variety of different software we do cover and we upload videos daily. So just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, to locate your Stencil Bridge tool, we'll be navigating to our left toolbar here, and then look for this little Stencil Bridge icon, like a little white circle with a black line through it. Then on top here, we can see its options. We have a Stencil Bridge size. So we just look on the mat here quick. If we click and drag, then it will make quite a small bridge. Otherwise, if we adjust this up, now you can see it's got quite a big bridge. So it's handy to know. And then we can also, with the shift key, if you click and hold the shift key in, you can constrain the direction. So if we keep it in and we drag down, you can see constrains it to the vertical axis. If we do it horizontally, you can do the same. So now you cannot move between it, or you can do the 45 degrees. Which is quite convenient. Otherwise, yeah, that's the basics on the Stencil Bridge tool. And if we just head to our website here, if you guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video, more videos like it. Like I mentioned, we've got quite a variety of different softwares we do cover. And we have a search option here as well if you want to isolate your search for something more specific. If you don't find what you're looking for, you can just request a training video here and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching and cheers.